It's looking great on the inside, and on the outside, I see my friend Luke from Premier Bankcard speaking with our veteran volunteers, talking about financial wellness and the importance of a good credit score. Luke,
that's right.
Why is this so important?
Credit scores are important for a lot of different reasons. You and I both know how they can affect renting a car, getting a house loan, or even maybe a student loan.
Excellent. Well, I want to find out exactly what Premier Bankcard does, but first, you guys are helping Jennifer Bertrand out with the design inside.
Yeah, you know, it's really exciting. Jennifer Bertrand reached out to us and asked how that we could help with the Carmody Home remake, and we were super excited to sponsor a dining room table. We know important conversations happen around this dining room table. So birthdays and anniversaries and difficult financial conversations sometimes happen around these tables.
So what do you do?
So Premier Bankcard is all about providing a second chance for people with lower credit scores.
Premier Bankcard is there to help veterans, active duty, the public in general, with any credit challenges that they need to overcome. How does this work?
You know, one thing that we want to get the word out is active duty military members do have benefits that they might not even realize, like a reduced interest rate. Under the Service Members Civil Relief Act and the Military Lending Act, there's benefits there that I wasn't aware of when I was in active duty. I served in the Navy for 8 years, and you're right, I saw it again and again. We would go on a deployment and people would be more concentrated on the mission and less concentrated on their finances. And when we'd return, we would see some credit problems. Premier Bankcard does offer a way to climb out of that. So we want to make sure to get that word out for everyone to be able to take advantage of.
So you guys have a solution for that with a secured credit card and unsecured options as well.
Yeah, there's different situations that we need to provide help for our customers, and we can handle both of those.
Well, speaking of the long journey, it's something that you have to stick with. You know, it doesn't happen overnight, so you want to see that improvement over time. 50 points, 100 points, even 150 points in your credit score is going to make such a huge difference in the interest rate you're able to get.
Absolutely, you're correct. But it takes determination, it takes patience, and that's something the military knows a lot about.
Right, and you know what else takes a lot of patience and determination? A military makeover. So I'll let you guys get back to work, finish your conversation, and when I come back, I'm going to find out what GE Aerospace is doing to help so many people.
All right, so where were we? We were talking about how paying our bills and being responsible with our credit helps our credit score. So we all need to make sure that that is an important thing that happens every month.